Hi people, today is April 1st, April Fool's Day, and I got a package in the mail from Urban Outfitters because I love spending my money that I do not have. I have an outflow of cash, but I do not have an inflow. But first I'm going to show you this. Vincent also got me this for my birthday. It's the Mount Lai, the Jade Trio set. I actually already have a gua sha. I've been gua shaing for 2 weeks now. I didn't need the gua sha in this one, so he gave it to his mom. But it comes with a roller with 2 different textures and then a ball roller. Excited to use it. I'm excited to use this. Watching TV, rolling my face. But I did get a pair of shoes from Urban Outfitters. Let's open it up. They look like this. They look nice and neutral. If I don't like it, I can just return them, but they look like this. Do they look funny? Okay. And then like that. I'll let you know. I usually do it right here, sitting on the floor of my bedroom. So this stuff peels off my makeup if I wear it during the daytime, so that's why I only wear it at nighttime, because it peels. Moisturize my booty. Stretch marks. And what? My butt going big? That's why I have stretch marks in my ass? Who knows? I got this gua sha. It's the rose quartz gua sha, and I got it from TJ Maxx. On my bullet journal for April right now. I think I decided on a theme. I think I'm going to do the theme of shoes. I got 2 pairs of new shoes, so I was like, why not? I have this, one pair of Converse, and then I'm gonna have some like flowers coming out of it. 04 for April. April is going to be spelled out in shoelaces. The colors that I am using, these 3 colors. I'm just gonna work on it. I'm not gonna record it. Should I record it? Maybe. Yeah, I'll record it. It is April 3rd. I just picked my nose. It was itchy. Happy birthday to Vincent. I'm gonna show you what I have so far for April. The pen that I'm using, the orange one, it's like leaking, so there's a bunch of orange splotches all over. But this is what I have so far. I decided to do cantaloupes along with like the shoe thing. Don't look too closely. I need to fix this to make it look better. But April is written in shoelaces, and I have some cantaloupes, and then here is where the thing is leaking. I spelled scribble wrong. The marker leaked everywhere, but it's okay because it's the scribbles page. But yeah, that's it. I also got a pair of sunglasses at Rodeo 39. I'm also wearing my Mary Janes right now to break them in. These are the sunglasses that I got. These were $17.99 going to Oregon in June. So I'll definitely bring these along because they're very spring summery. So yeah, peace out. Hi people, it is Tuesday, April 5th, and I'm going to show you my bullet journal. I updated this a little bit. I think I should add more green, but I'm thinking about cutting out each of these letters and then gluing it on instead because I ruined that, so I just have to do that tonight. It's my first weekly spread, and I like doing it this way because I can just utilize how much space I need instead of making boxes or spaces beforehand and not using the entire space for that day. Oh, my arm. I need to package some stickers. Today is April 7th, Thursday, I got some stuff. So there's this app called Flip. This isn't sponsored or anything, but it's called Flip, and it is like a social media app specific to makeup, skincare, wellness products. If you guys want to follow me, my username is joycare, Joycare. So first is this Tower blush. It is super duper pretty on, and it's super vibrant, so I love this so far. And then I got a lip oil by Pacifica. This stuff is really pretty too. 4 nail polishes. Highlighter from Say, S-A-I-E. Deodorant, this natural deodorant. I don't know how this works either. It's liquidy. It doesn't like dry, so it stays kind of liquidy on your armpit. I got this little eyelash comb. Pretty cool. Look at the nails that I have right now. So cute, huh? Tuesday, April 19th, show you my bullet journal and talk to you. I haven't filmed in a while. I went to Vegas the second week of April or something. It was so much fun. This is my completed spread. I was only able to fit in 4 different days, and I like doing this little call out box because it draws my attention to it, so I know what's important. And also look at my nails. They're getting long. I should cut them. Right there, smack in the center, so I know that I need to do these. For example, this is just like other non-academic stuff that I've been really wanting to do. Important assignments that need to be turned in at those days. And then here's also like different events that are going on too. This week's spread. So I have another call out box right here. Tuesday the 19th, this is what I have to get done. I'm just going to continue the rest of the spread like this. I did this last month too, and I really liked it. The swimsuit at Marshall's, this entire set was $24.99. These bottoms are the cheekiest bottoms I've ever owned. So we'll see how it works out. Reading this book, I'm about like 1/4 of the way through, and it's really good. I feel like I've been on hold for this book for a year at the library. Is April 25th. It's been a while. It's Monday. I'm going to school. I've just been doing homework really. I haven't been doing anything crazy. This combination of clothing is seriously the thing that I feel the best in and most comfy, even though it's so simple. I love it. I just love casual basics and jeans and some Birks and here are my nails. This side's worse. I'm going to school now in my cute gray shirt. I'm wearing my Docs, the Mary Janes, but I brought Birkenstocks in case I got a little bit insecure about wearing these. But yeah, off to school. What? Hello people, it is the last day of April. Anyways, I have some stuff to show you. I got some more skincare from Flip because I am now an ambassador of Flip. This is not sponsored, blah 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 blah. I want to show you the cool skincare stuff that I got. So first I got this Pacifica niacinamide zinc and hemp 10% complex plus lemongrass oil balance. This is a serum, and I use right now the ordinary niacinamide, but I don't really like the formula too much because it kind of feels like glue on your face, so it peels my makeup, but this stuff is pretty good so far. This Hey Honey Open Your Eyes eye lifting serum like this, and it has like a little application that goes right underneath your eye like this. It's really soothing, super cool on your face, so I'm liking it so far. Ever since I started using skincare and taking care of my dry, flaky, disgusting skin, I have seen such great improvements. I started skincare in December, and now it is almost May, and my skin is the best that it's ever been. Koa Life Ego Boost Moisturizer. I'm not a big fan of this smell, honestly. It's a weird texture too. It smells like an orange creamsicle, which I do not love, and it's kind of liquidy, I would say. I also got the Koa Life Vitamin C Brightening Oil because I've been wanting some type of vitamin C in my skincare. I wish was a serum. I'm still looking for a serum, but I just wanted to try this. And it looks like this. I got some makeup. I got Babe Lash Volumizing Brow Filler. Look at the packaging. There's so little stuff and such a big packaging, but it looks like this. I'm wearing it today. And then I got a concealer that's way too light for my face. Julian Dempsey. And I got nail polish. I got this shade. This is a Sally Hansen shade. And then I have this one. I think the brand is called like 1010. So I tried it out yesterday and it's very good. And that's all the stuff that I got from Flip. I also got some other stuff that I bought with my own money. So first I got this exfoliating scrub. It smells really good and it works really, really well. This thing's only $6 at Target, so I got it. And I also got this Honest conditioning detangler. I just wanted something to make my hair smell good, and this didn't do it very well. Shannon, she gave me a late birthday gift and she got me some Drunk Elephant stuff. This is the Drunk Elephant whipped cream and also the glycolic night serum. So I've been using this one. I haven't been using this one yet because I have so many moisturizers that I need to finish first. I tried this once and it is really good. And she also got me the Rem Beauty lip stain marker, and this stuff is insane. I need to moisturize my lips more because when I use this it shows where I'm chapped. Pretty crazy. It's very pigmented. It is a lip stain, but I need my lips to not be chapped in order to use this. And then I got a few clothing pieces. I got overalls that actually fit me properly from Gap. They look like this. They're really cute. I also went to Goodwill and I found these overalls. These are overall shorts from Old Navy and they fit me really well. They like a cream color with tan stitching. Alright, that's it. So I'm going to show you my bullet journal now and then I'm going to end this video. This is my flip through. I think dinner's ready, so I have to hurry. I never ended up fixing that. And that is my end of April spread. That's it. That's where it ends. But I like it because I don't feel bad for not using up space that I didn't use if I were to pre-do my bullet journal weekly spread. So now I just utilize the space that I do have, which only happens to take up 4 pages, which I like. That is my April video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I will see you in May.